Good day, class. Are you ready to our new topic? Very good. Can you go outside as soon as you wake up? What beauty of nature you have seen outside? There is so much beauty in nature because our world is filled with wonders. Today we're going to discuss about painting using nature. With nature, we can see tall trees, colorful flowers, beautiful sea creatures, and fluffy clouds. Many artists use nature to paint beautiful scenes. Painting is the process of applying paint to a surface to create a picture. One of the national artists of the Philippines who created his masterpieces with nature as the subject is Jose Joya. His works are mostly abstract art, and these are some of his arts. Now, we have different ways to paint. Painting with dots and spirals, abstract tree painting, stone art, pop art, and the lantern and the jeepney, and the flower pop art. That's all for today, class. Bye.